how to find the best trip.com discount promo codes. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you or provide you one specific website in which you can use a discount promo codes that is specifically for trip.com. So before you go ahead and finalize your payment onto the payment tab of trip.com, you can simply create a new tab on your current browser and then go into this website. That's going to be grabon.in. Once you're here, head straight into the search box, and type in trip.com, and you should be able to see the very first result has 24 coupons and offers. Take note that these specific options right here is going to be changing daily. So say for example, you would like to use the up to 50% off. Of course, you need to get or to fully understand the details of the code before using it. And then just simply click this highlighted blue so that you can copy the unique code and it paste it into trip.com. That's it. That's how you find the best trip.com discount promo codes.